everyone, welcome to Create Eat Happy. This is OCHIKERON. Today I wanted to show you how to make Thomas' birthday cake. My son turned 3 this year on November 20th, so we decided to make a birthday cake together. Obviously, he is still 3, so he can just help the easiest part, but he was really creative and the cake turned really amazing. I hope you find this video helpful and I hope you can try it out. Here are the ingredients. I bought chocolate pen at Celia 100 shop. Place a parchment paper on top of the image. Secure corners with tapes. Draw the outer flame with black chocolate pen. Put in the fridge for a few seconds to set. Do not put in the fridge too long, otherwise the chocolate rolls up. Paint inside with colored chocolate pen. Put in the fridge for a few seconds to set. Cover the entire image with white chocolate to reinforce the picture. You don't have to use white chocolate, you can use different colors, they look cute. Put in the fridge to set, then flip it over. Now let's make blue whipped cream. Mix until stiff peaks form. Coat a Swiss roll with whipped cream. Now let's decorate the cake. And now it's done! Thanks for watching, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial.
Happy birthday to you.
お誕生日おめでとう！
これやって
上手！おっ！わ
わ
あ、すごい！あ、すごい！おいしい。
バイクを食べた。
もうこ食べたい？
ちゃんと腫れてるか見てあげるパパが。 ていいよ。
ふー。
ふーってふーだよ。
ふ
ってやってごらん。
あれ？
教えてあげる。
消えたー。
耳だね。はい、どうぞ。
乗せるの。
乗せるのここに置いていい？
美味しいですか？
美
美味しい。食べました。